Hey, Matt here at Big Pine Sports, and today we are with the 2026 CFMOTO Highland. This is the U-Force U10 Pro XL Pro, and just wanted to give you a quick tech tip on the tires here. Now, if you're just getting one of these machines and you're wondering what your tire pressure should be, I want to give you 3 different places that you can find that information. So first off, when you buy the machine, it comes with an owner's manual. If you open the owner's manual and just look at the specifications table, it'll tell you what the recommended tire pressure for your machine should be. Now, if you don't have the owner's manual or can't find it, you can check out CFMOTO's website, type in owner's manuals, and it'll pull up all the different ones that, the owner's manuals that they have for their machines. Find yours, again, scroll through it, and look for the specifications table, and that'll tell you what it's supposed to be. Or if you're at the machine, I want to show you where you can find it on the Highland. Come over to the passenger side, open the door, and look right up here. So this one is right up here on this upper rail on the passenger side, and it is recommended 22 PSI that you run in the Highland tires. Now, if you're wondering how to do that, tried and trusted pen gauges. All you got to do, come down here, pull your valve stem cap off, put your pen gauge on there. It'll tell you what the pressure is, and then you just adjust accordingly. Now, tire pressure is one of the most overlooked service things that you can do for your machine. Plus, it's going to help give you a lot better handling with your tires. It's going to help give you better wear with your tires, and where tires aren't cheap, it's best to take care of them and just get the most out of them that you possibly can. So if there's questions or comments, put those down below. If you want to see one, come see us out here at Big Pine Sports. And then, yeah, hopefully this will help, and keep you out there on the trails and doing what you love to do. So I'm Matt out here at Big Pine Sports. We'll see you in the next one.